Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
My old lady looked at it and innocently asked, "Is that pure wood? Or maybe Armani wood?" I just chuckled. That logger's hands must be screaming in pain. Can you believe it? Just one gentle push, and a 12-inch log bursts into perfect firewood. Now, with 60.000 pounds of wood waiting, how fast do you think it'll disappear? No one to pull it? No worries. This bad boy just pulled itself up like fixing your own mess in life. You're 20 feet up, holding a 51.5 Newton meters Husqvarna, facing a giant limb. Do you dare make the first cut? Drop your thoughts. Each 10-inch, 400-pound board slides into the 850 horsepower Muse Max, dissolving into golden dust under a blue sky, light as a summer breeze. Planned a smooth takedown, but turned it into a live wood splitting demo. Trees like, fair play, split it right down the middle. Boom, the 1.050 horsepower chip Max crushes the 12-inch, 600-pound bundle, roaring like war drums and blasting sawdust like fireworks. Feed a 10-foot rough log into the 479-pound feed cork machine. Blink once, and out come flawless 6x 2-inch boards. Wood tech is pure magic. Standing close to the 700 Nm bandsaw, watching a 3-meter rough log transform into silky boards, you truly appreciate the craftsmanship of lumber milling. Aha, that 24-inch log may look tough, but under this 80.000 pound force splitter, it falls like autumn leaves. Who needs heavy machines when just 1 gallon of gas can turn a 32-inch pure wood stump into ashes? This is forestry-style barbecue. Guess how long till it's gone? At 14 degrees Fahrenheit, the Palms crane with 3,200 psi pressure squeezes 3.300-pound wood bundles like cradling a baby. The logs shiver while the machine just smirks in the snow. The 440 HP man truck hauls 88.000 pounds of 20-foot logs, storming out of the muddy forest like a true forestry warrior. Can you guess how fast it made it? with 220 horsepower. It drags 32-foot logs as thick as telephone poles. If this scene doesn't get an action soundtrack, it's a total waste of pure beast mode. Oh man, a 250 HP forwarder hauls 20.000 pounds of logs up a 1.000 foot hill like a mountain goat. Sweaty palms watching this. (280 HP roaring through -10 degrees Celsius snow. Slicing 450-pound trees like sharpening pencils. Even polar bears would step aside for this beast. That 22.000 pounds axer sunk like a marshmallow in hot cocoa. Thank God for the jungle tractor. With 22.000 pounds of grip, this Pond's machine hugs an 18-foot tree like it's a Christmas pole. Just missing the twinkling lights. Never underestimate the small 825 HP grinder turns a 24-inch stump into dust. True strength lies in persistence. Guess what? How long does a 730 HP Scania take to load 70 tons of logs? 10 minutes? 30 minutes? Or faster than one remix song? Drop your guess. With 240 horsepower, it's yanking a 3-foot thick log like dragging a giant python out of the jungle. If this isn't raw power, what is? Planned a gentle cut, ended up hosting a full-blown smash party. Guess it's time to laugh it off and fix the truck.